Welcome to the eLynx Water Solutions installation video series. I'm JP Risenhoover, and I'll be guiding you through the installation steps for our remote monitoring hardware. Today, we're walking through an easy 10-step process to get your eLynx Connect up and running quickly and confidently. Before you head to the field, gather everything you'll need. That includes a small flathead and Phillips screwdriver, wire strippers, zip ties for cable management, the included hose clamps, conduit if you want extra protection for the wiring, a shovel if you'll be trenching, don't forget to call 811 before digging, your field devices, wiring, and any tools recommended by the manufacturer. Having everything on hand before you start helps the whole job go smoother. Next, choose a spot for your install. Full sun exposure is key, ideally south-facing, and the closer to your field device, the cleaner the wiring. If you're setting up a standalone pole, go with a 10-foot by 2-inch conduit pole. Pro tip, even small amounts of shade from trees or equipment can cut solar performance, so pick your site carefully. Once your location is set, mount the enclosure at eye level with the provided clamps. Then slide the solar panel into the top bracket. It'll be wired later. Before moving on, check that your cord grips are accessible. That'll save you some time when you start routing wires. Now it's time to mount your field device. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the best placement. For protection, run the wiring through conduit. And if wildlife or weather are concerns, go ahead and bury it. Clean installs not only look better, but hold up better in the field. Before wiring, figure out what type of signal your device is sending. Analog input, which could be a continuous reading like pressure or tank level, land on A1 through A3. Digital inputs, on or off signals like pump or switch status, land on D1 through D4. Alarm cryout sends immediate alerts and wakes the unit, D1 or D2. If you're unsure, call eLynx support. Remove the enclosure cover with a Phillips screwdriver. Route your wiring through a cord grip and connect the signal wire to the horizontal rail where it belongs. Reminder, D1 and D2 can be used for alarm cryouts and will wake the unit on a state of change. With signal wires landed, hook up the power. Connect the positive and negative wires to the vertical power rail, starting at the bottom and working up. Power jumpers are already pre-installed for you. If you're installing more than 4 devices, you can double up on terminals without a problem. Next, bring in the solar. Route the panel cable through the back right waterproof plug, insert it, and tighten the sealing nut. Press the bat button to power on. A blue LED above the batteries should light up within a minute. That's your confirmation everything's working. After a few minutes, the unit will begin transmitting data. Open the eLynx app and you'll be able to view live data, assign a device name, drop a pin with GPS coordinates, set alarms and notifications. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a minute. It's just finishing the connection to eLynx. Finally, button everything up. Reinstall the enclosure cover, tighten the cord grip nut from the inside, and use zip ties or clamps to secure any excess cable or conduit to the pole. That extra few minutes makes the install safer, cleaner, and easier to maintain down the road. And there you have it. 10 simple steps and your eLynx Connect is live. If you ever need help, our support team is just a phone call or email away. Thank you for watching, and thank you for trusting eLynx Water Solutions.